is the 2019 return to the Slick Rock Trail. You guys remember what happened last time. For the lineup today, we've got the Nightmare, we've got the Pitbull, recently revived, and I will tell you guys all about that. You guys will get to see that puppy in action, and we've got the squad going with us,
and we'll see you on the trail.
All right, so let's introduce ourselves. Who's this? He's 17 from New Orleans.
Yes, sir. I'm Russell. I'm the other brother.
Meaning Mitch's brother.
Dave.
Bro, that's so stupid.
Bro.
Hello. My name is See You on the Trail. All right.
To let you guys know, when we started this, there were like 20 people that were on the list that said that they were coming. We're down to exactly 8 and 2 rigs, and there were like 5. So that's just kind of how it goes. McDonald's we go. All right, the Golden Arches, as is, what's the word? Tradition. Customary.
So far we've wrecked 5 times.
Hey, we're taking this out on the trail, right?
We're gonna go ahead and introduce you officially to everybody since there's nice McDonald's lighting.
I'm David. Josh. Russ.
That's not even worth it. What do you want from me? I'll see you on the trail.
Your name. That's not the only thing you can say. We just want your name.
Fine, badass.
I'm Daniel.
Talk like a man.
Why are you pointing in my face?
Cuz.
And Mitch.
Hey, check those out though.
That's when you go like this, huh? Oh, I should have, huh?
We'll talk more about these sick new hoodies
On the trail.
Hours later.
We just talked to a lady that lives up here, and apparently Slick Rock Trail is not your little baby trail anymore. It's basically a mini Rubicon.
You ready to get this thing started?
Let's get this party started. They said there was NAR. We shall find out.
Honestly, I'm not worried about it because I built this thing.
I'm worried about it.
It's actually because of these spikes right here.
We got the spikes. How much extra horsepower do those give you?
Airflow. It's aerodynamics.
Oh yeah.
Just the way it's. They're gonna be saying that about all of you guys.
What's his name? The boss? Is that what they call him? The boss?
Annoying.
What'd that one guy comment? This kid just has too much energy. Something like that.
Comment down below if you think it looks like Bruce Springsteen. 10,000 likes.
So just so you guys know, this is the first time you guys get to hear the startup with the 700 R4. I haven't really had a chance to shoot any videos about this thing. But after this video, I'm going to do a whole walkthrough about the whole setup, about all the work we did with the frame notch and all of that stuff. You guys are kind of aware. It's just been so busy. I've been working on this stuff for the past 4 weeks straight, trying to get it dialed in for this weekend. And literally wrenching on it last night, so.
Hi Johnny, how do you feel?
Oh man, I feel great. I'm ready to go. This is gonna be such a great trip. I can't wait for you guys to join us on the trail. And we'll see you. No, I'm just kidding.
Hi guys, we are officially off-road.
Look, get the sign.
Yeah, Slick Rock Road. How do you feel, Mitch? First time out was just rebuilt the new rig.
Well, I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it does, how this thing wheels. This is our first big rock right
First
here.
obstacle right here, boys. Let's see what you got. We made it though. It's
spikes kicked in.
We had to change out the spikes for extra jumbo spikes. And we're good.
You're dragging a rock.
Guys, here we go. My first time on the what is this thing called? The Pitbull.
All right, so Johnny Perez, yes, he's gonna start driving. He's gonna take over. Man, it's getting really hot. I need to take this jacket off. We'll see what happens here. It's kind of just a flat drive. That's why I'm gonna let him drive.
A few moments later.
Go back.
You having a fun time down there?
Yo. So out here on the beautiful Slick Rock Trail, as you guys saw earlier, we've got our new hoodies. I know you guys all like Bronco gear, but we don't just have Bronco hoodies. If it gets a little too hot, which it is right now, we also got, sorry, he's a little bit nervous to strip in front of the camera.
But I always strip in front of the camera.
We've also got our long sleeve tees. That's not the kind of tees he was talking about. Also very simple, but it's still super freaking hot. We've got,
Oh, what's that? Ellie!
we've also got brand new t-shirts. So good to be on the website. If they're on the website, a link will be below. So check them out, snag some, support the cause, support the Pitbull. If I ever break a spike, that's what the money's gonna go to. So yeah. Yeah.
You got a new driver now.
Oh yes sir, first time out.
yeah.
How does it feel driving after so long?
Wow.
Oh, B!
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
We're back here again with your boy, Father Nature. Now, as you can see, look at these trees right here. Look at this beautiful sap falling down. Get the cameraman. Get that.
Yeah.
All right. Now, from that discoloration and the leaf pattern, I can tell this is a California redwood pine mixed with a needle nose plier. And what you want to do is
needle nose plier.
what you want to do is you just want to take one little twig like this and then shove it up your
How do you feel after that one?
Alrighty, baby. It's definitely a lot better with fuel injection than a carburetor, but we went down that last time, and that's where I stalled the most. So, may have run into a problem. Looks like the bridge is out of commission. So we're like halfway through the trail, I think. Let's go check it out and see what happens. Yeah, I wouldn't step on that. Alright guys, so we have got the Walking Jeepers Club out here. They're out here fixing this bridge for us, making sure it's safe, making sure it's nice. I don't think that we're going to be able to get through here today, because obviously that cement and stuff that they were pouring has to dry. But you know, big props to them for what they're doing. That's a ton of concrete, and so I don't know how they raise their money, but if they take donations or anything, make sure you help them out, because they do stuff like this to keep the trails alive.
How we doing, guys?
Doing good.
Russ, how you doing, boss? How you doing, bro?
Good, good. How about you?
How you liking the pretzels?
Considering they're Johnny's, they taste 10 times better.
How you doing, bro?
Steak sauce, man. Steak sauce.
Ooh, Johnny?
Stonk's going up, baby. Stonk's going up. We're gonna mark the time and see how quick we can motor out of here. So, I drive, you drive. All right.
Which one's right now?
Making a sandwich.
Dude, we're like trying to leave. Everyone's ready to roll. And you're over here making a sandwich.
like, I need a Sammy, Dad.
2 sandwiches?
Wait, while you're at it, can you make me one, please?
There's no more bread.
That's my bread. Alright guys, so yeah, they're fixing up the trail, so we're just gonna bomb back out of here the exact way we came. Yeah, we're not wrapping this video up yet. I'm sure there's gonna be much more gnar. Couldn't expect to get through a horse trip without a couple of hiccups, you know what I mean?
Somebody hold that down.
I got it.
There it goes.
Keep going.
That is so scary.
Oh yeah, baby. These Toyos, man, is where it's at. And these spikes. See those spikes helped. When all else failed, it was the spike.
How many guys does it take to put a high lift back
There you go.
I was just supervising. That's all.
Okay, boss man.
If we get to something like difficult, I don't want to drive. But I just want to try it.
Don't let him drive. Let me drive.
We're gonna die!
Bro, I can drive stick. He can't.
I think you're gonna run.
Oh, David's gonna kill us! Ah! Oh, David!
David, that back end's coming out. The back end's blue, David.
Swing it!
What'd you think, Robinson?
It was awesome. I'm about to get me one.
There you go. Dave?
It was good, man.
What do you think?
Don't know how to drive stick, but I did it today, so it was a fun job.
Johnny, you broke the Nightmare?
It was rough.
It was everything you expected. Don't get so close to the camera.
Yeah, it was fun night.
Oh man, awesome trip. Blast. Good time. Turkey. Alright guys, so that was your maiden voyage with the 700 R4 install and the Atlas 2-speed and the spikes. So I think the spikes did amazing. Put it over the top. We will again go through all of the 700 R4 stuff with you guys. So yeah guys, keep an eye out for the 700 R4 build session video. Anyways, we're just gonna wrap this up here guys. So as always, with all of that being said, we'll see you out there on the trail. Peace! Oh, peace! We'll see you.
And my name is See You on the Trail.
And we'll see you. No, I'm just kidding. Hey guys, Johnny back here on the trail. You know where we're always at.
On the trail.
That's all I got for you.
That was super gay, but okay.